So class 4, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, keeping safe. Keeping safe means we should keep ourselves safe. So accidents takes place at any time, anywhere, when we show carelessness. When we are careless, when we are not careful, or we are careless at home or public places or school, then accident can takes place. So accident can be avoided if we are careful. So if we are careful, then we can avoid the accident, and we should follow some rules for that. To avoid the accident, we should follow some rules. Those rules are known as safety rules. So our parents and teachers, they are always telling you that how to avoid accidents or how to be safe. They are giving you some instructions or the rules. So these rules are known as safety rules, which helps us to be safe and to avoid accidents. So accident can take place at any time, anywhere. Even if we are in our house, inside our house also accident can take place, because there are many things that can cause accidents if we are careless. So some of the safety rules we have to follow, and we should follow at home also. Like some general safety rules are there for following at home, like don't open the door for the strangers, or don't leave the things or toys here and there. There are some even in the house we are having a kitchen. So kitchen also there are so many devices, so many instruments that can cause harm to us, or that can cause accidents. So we should follow some safety rules at the kitchen also, bathroom also, and some general safety rules at home also. So the rules that protect us or that keep us safe and avoid accidents, those rules are known as safety rules, and we should follow the safety rules to avoid accidents and to be safe. So different safety rules for different places, like for kitchen, for bathroom, we will see in details what are the safety rules we should follow. Here you can see for kitchen safety rules, like before picking any vessel, when you are taking up or picking any vessel, you should check whether it is hot or not. If it is hot, then use a cotton cloth or tongs to handle the hot objects. We should turn off the knob of the gas when it is not in use. So when gas is not used, we should turn off the knob. And in case leakage is there, gas leakage, we can get the smell of the gas leakage. That time we should open all the doors and windows, and we should not switch on any electrical devices, because this may cause fire. So when we are using electrical appliances like microwave, kettle or hot plates, we should be careful, or we should do, since you are now small, so you should not do it alone. You should not use them alone. You can do it in the presence of adult, or you should be very careful. Then always shut the door of refrigerator after you have taken out something from it. When we are taking out something from the refrigerator, we should shut the door. We should not open the door and keep it. We should shut the door, and we should be careful while using objects like glasses, steel plates. We should be very careful. We should not play with knives, matchbox. So if you have to use a knife or matchbox, you should do it in the presence of an adult. If you want to cut something, or if you want to use the knife, you should do it with the presence of the adult. So don't play with the knives and matchbox. So always wear cotton clothes while working in the kitchen. While we are working in the kitchen, we should always wear cotton clothes. We should not wear synthetic clothes, because synthetic clothes, they can catch fire very easily. And when we are cooking something, we should also maintain a safe distance from the gas stove. So a safe distance should be there between the gas stove and you, so that it will be not easy for your clothes to catch the fire. There are some general safety rules also at home that everybody should follow, like don't open the door for the strangers. So if you don't know who is the person, or if you are alone at home, then you should not open the door for the strangers. Then if you are not feeling well, or if you are having any problem or headache, then don't consume any medicine on your own. If you don't know what is this medicine and what are its side effects, then you should not consume any medicine on your own. Then immediately wipe any liquid that has been spilled on the floor. Sometimes when we are taking the water or drinking the water is falling down, or it is spilling on the floor. So sometimes however the liquid is spilled, that we should wipe it, because someone may be sleep on the wet floor. Then don't leave your toys or other things lying around the floor. Someone may trip on them and they may get hurt. Don't get too close to heaters, table fans or other electrical gadgets when they are switched on. If a table fan or heater is switched on, then don't go too close to near to them. Do not lean over the windows or balcony railings. You may lose your balance and fall over. So we should never lean over the windows or the balcony railings. Then don't put your fingers in the electric socket. So if any sparks is coming out from the electric plug, then ask an adult to switch off the main switch immediately. Do not put your fingers, so that you also can get the electric shock. So that is why we should not put our fingers in the electric sockets. If at all we are seeing any sparks or light sparking is taking place, so we can call someone, or we can tell an adult to switch off the main switch immediately. We should wear dry rubber slippers while touching an electric device, and we should not run around inside the house. We may crash into furniture and we may get hurt. So there are bathroom safety rules also is there, because in the bathroom also we may sleep, or in bathroom also some instruments are there that can cause accident to us. So for in bathroom also we have to be very careful, and we have to follow some safety rules, like do not leave the soap bar on the floor. Someone may sleep on it and get injured. If you are leaving the soap bar on the floor, you may sleep or someone else may sleep. So be careful while using the hot water. If you are using hot water, then ask an adult to check it. So you should not suddenly use the hot water. Don't play with the razor and scissors that are kept in the bathroom. You can get injured. So do not touch the electrical switch with the wet hands. If your hands are wet, then we should not touch the electric switch, because we can get an electric shock. Then after taking bath, we should dry the bathroom floor. We should use a floor wiper and we should dry the bathroom floor. Otherwise the wet bathroom floors are very slippery and we may sleep on that. So be careful while taking bath, so that soap or shampoo does not enter our eyes. So soap or shampoo, when you are washing your face or hair, soap or shampoo, it should not enter your eyes. And if at all it enters your eyes, wash your eyes with enough water and with cold water. These are the safety rules that we should follow at home to prevent from the accident, or to avoid the accident. Not only inside the home, outside the home also we have to follow some safety rules, so that we can avoid the accidents. Like when we go for playing, so we should follow some safety rules. So safety rules while playing. So always play in the playground. We should not play on the roads or street or terrace or inside the house. Always we should play in a playground. Like outdoor games we should always play in a playground. Then do not push or hit each other while playing. When we play or when we run, we push or hit each other, but we should not push or hit each other. Always we should follow the rules of the game. Then do not go for swimming alone. We should not go for swimming alone. Always swim in the presence of an adult. And then if an adult is not there, there is a lifeguard is present at the swimming pool. We should follow his instructions, or we should ask him if any problem, because always a lifeguard is present at the swimming pool for our help. So always wait for your turn at swings. Do not stand in front of the swings. When we are playing, we should not stand in front of the swings. We should wait for our turn, and we should not fight with our friends also that who will go the first. So we should follow the rules of the game, and we should play the game in a funny way, not by pushing or hitting or fighting with each other. So we should always play in a playground and always follow the rules of the game. So these are the few safety rules that we should follow to keep ourselves safe and to avoid accidents. So in the next class also we will study about some more safety rules.